Namaskar, I, Dinesh Rai, on the behalf of GuruKPO.com, going to deliver my lecture on the topic leadership. Leadership means to lead someone. Question arises here that why leadership is necessary? What is the importance of leadership? There are how many types of leadership? Leadership is essential thing in any organization. If we are talking about the present situations of organizations, without leadership we cannot achieve our annual objectives as well as overall objectives, our mission, our vision also. There are three types of leadership. One is autocratic leader, another is democratic leader, and third one is free rein. Autocratic leaders are those leaders who takes their decisions on self. They don't want any type of suggestions, helps of subordinates. They are able to take their decisions and they will only implement their decisions. They cannot take any type of opinions from another person. Democratic leaders are those leaders who always take suggestions and after then they are deciding their decisions, what they want to decide or on the basis of their suggestions. Free rein leaders are those leaders who don't want to control their subordinates. They fully delegate their authorities to their subordinates. So, these are the three types of leadership. But why leadership is necessary? What leadership is all about? Now I am going to explain leadership with the example of Mahabharata. In Mahabharata there is lot of leadership examples. Like if we are talking about Sri Krishna, he was told to Arjun for the war. यदि महाभारत में श्री कृष्ण नहीं होते तो महाभारत नहीं होता. यहां से हम लीडरशिप सीख सकते हैं एज वेल एज मैनेजरियल स्किल्स भी हम सीख सकते हैं. सो कहीं ना कहीं लीडर और मैनेजर के बीच कुछ समानताएं होती हैं. महाभारत में श्री कृष्ण ने मैनेजर का रोल निभाया एज वेल एज उन्होंने लीडर का भी रोल निभाया. उन्होंने प्रिपेयर किया अर्जुन को उसके टारगेट्स अचीव करने के लिए, उसके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स अचीव करने के लिए, इस युद्ध को लड़ने के लिए. लीडर का सबसे महत्वपूर्ण कार्य होता है अपने सबऑर्डिनेट्स से काम निकालना, अपने सबऑर्डिनेट्स से वो करवाना जिसके लिए वो हैं. ऑर्गेनाइज करना ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल्स को और आफ्टर दैट टू टेक रिजल्ट्स. So leadership is somewhere it is also a part of managerial skills. Without this skill we cannot manage everything in our life. It is a part of our life. We can utilize this thing in our general life as well as our professional life also. So for any type of organization, for entrepreneurship also, leadership is necessary. For more details, log on to our website www.gurukpo.com.